Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Ada here, and you guys, I have missed a whole lot. I know that I took a very long break from YouTube. Not really from YouTube, but from this particular channel. But I'm back and more positive and just everything. You guys, listen, I'm back. I know it's like this is my first time actually posting since this year, so I think so, yeah. So I'm finally back and I'm going to try as much as I can to give content back to back to back. Okay, this year I'm going to be making it on YouTube. I don't care. That's what is going to be happening this year. So you're new on here, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada and I am a hairstylist and a makeup artist, also an entrepreneur. So I of course have my hair brand, BBA Hair Collection. I'll just leave everything you need to know in the description box down below, so you can click the link, check out my website and do all of that. So yeah, today we are going to be doing some box braids. So this is just like welcoming you guys for the year and everything. I am so excited to be back, I'm not even gonna lie, but I've just had a whole lot to do. Like if you're a mom, you know, running the family, trying to take care of business, trying to do other things, working of course full-time as a hairstylist, also trying to do YouTube and all. I have other channels as well, so it's not just this one. So of course, yeah, it's a bit much, but we're there, we're doing fine, we're getting there. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be posting more and more. So you guys just leave me some video suggestions in the comment section and let me know what you want to do. So I kind of like maybe might rebrand the channel. I don't think there's anything much to rebrand, but just more like to add. I think I have everything still the way it is, but I feel like I'm going to be adding some things, like maybe my lifestyle, not necessarily family or kids, because I have a channel for that, but personally me, entrepreneurial lifestyle, you know, hair tips and all of that. And then just me personally, me as a person, my lifestyle and everything aside from kids. So if you love that type of content, please let me know in the comment section. I'm so happy to be back, and you guys just keep watching this box braids. Okay, if you need anything, if you want like to learn anything in particular, just let me know, shoot me a message, let me know in the comment section. I'll leave my Instagram, the link to my Instagram account and everything in the description box down below. So if you need anything personally, like if you want me to do a particular tutorial on something, just let me know. I'm definitely open to it. So yeah, so the product I'm using now is the Shine and Jam, which I love to use. And you guys, I'm so excited because I have my edge control brand coming up very soon. You guys are going to see it. I'm going to be posting more videos, I'm going to be doing more work with it. You guys, I've been working for this, like I've been working on this for like 2 years now, trying to bring out like the right product that I'm going to use that everybody will love. And you guys, I am so excited that finally we are there. So I'll definitely be back and you guys will see more videos. Honestly, I'm going to be posting more content, I promise this time. So yeah, welcome to my channel, and for the previous subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in. I'm so grateful to have you all here. So let's grow this channel this 2022, because listen, I'm not going nowhere. This channel has to grow. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So yeah, so whenever I start out, of course I start from the back, the way I do the 2 rows on the back. It just depends on the size of box braids that the client wants. So when it comes to the front, I pat it down in the middle. I'll kind of like do a more detailed, slower video. It's just that people don't really like sitting down to watch longer videos, but I believe that as long as there's information, like good information on it, they're going to definitely want to watch it. So I'll definitely be making. So if you have any particular thing, whether it's gripping, whether it's parting or anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, you know, where you would want me to really touch on, and I would definitely do that. So I just part in the middle just to make sure that I have secured my straight line in the middle. so you don't just pat it anyhow and then your line comes out not looking straight and all. So I just make sure to pat down in the middle and then just keep following the lines that I make. I'm going to do another well detailed. Of course, I have so many tutorials. Like if you go down on my page, you're definitely going to see so many tutorials on there. So there are so many, like a whole lot. I've been doing this since 2019, so yeah, there's a whole lot of tutorials, makeup, hair. I'll try and do more. I think I realized I've not done a makeup tutorial in a while, but I'm definitely going to do something makeup tutorial and all. So this is just your beauty plug. Okay, if you want anything, your beauty tutorial, hair tutorial, makeup tutorial plug, if you want anything product wise and everything. Yeah, and also don't forget to go ahead and check out my website in the description box below, and I really appreciate that. I sell wigs, glueless wigs, ready to wear, and also wigs if you want them, if you want your stylist to be the one to customize it herself. I also sell that. Just let me know in the website. I have nice bundles, closures and frontals and all of that good stuff. So just check out my channel, my website. And yeah, so you can see me doing the brick layer method. So that works all the time, like you guys, that works. And yeah, I'm going to be doing a detailed video on how to do the bricklayer method. I just have a whole lot packed for 2022, so just to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And yeah, keep watching. I hope you guys will enjoy this video though, and of course let me know what you think after the video. Let me just know what you think, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So you guys, I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Make sure you watch till the end and see me dipping the hair in hot water and just seeing how I finish up the whole look. Okay, I'm back, and I'm back for good. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.